Hey everyone, it's G here, Gayon here in Cali. Welcome everyone. So I wanted to do a quick live here and say welcome to all of you guys, to all of the new members that's joined this fantastic group that I'm putting together. It's all about eating healthy, living a healthier lifestyle. I'll be showing you guys how to eat healthier, and all the meals I'll be sharing recipes that, as you guys have, if you probably come to the page, you've seen some recipes I put in here already. They're all diabetes friendly. So let me just take a moment, guys, to first say I'm very excited for you guys to be here. Very excited and to start this journey with you guys, to share recipes and for you guys to be a part of this changing our lives by how we eat. Is so critical to our health. So first of all, I'll give you guys all a shout out and say welcome. I'm excited for you guys to be here. So let me first get started by giving a shout out to those of you that's recently joined. I'm so excited about this. I didn't realize that I had 13 members already, so maybe I've been sleeping. I need to pay more attention. So anyway, so Reza, thanks for being Reza joined today. You're a rock star. Trisha, thanks for Pat, my cousin Pat, thanks girl. Wilson, hey Wilson is a rock star. Gaynor, let's see, we also have here Suzanne. Hey Suzanne, welcome. So Suzanne was invited by Wilson. Woohoo, go Wilson. Okay, and also let's see, Ebony is also here as well, a member. And thanks for Gaynor invited Ebony. Thanks Gaynor, you're a rock star girl. Woohoo, keep it up. Okay, let's see, and Winston was invited by Wilson. So thanks Wilson, you're a rock star. Welcome Winston. Chantel, woohoo, welcome Chantel. Chantel was invited by Wilson. Wilson is a rock star. So Wilson has about a couple people here you invited. So Wilson, you're a rock star. Thank you so much. Okay, of course Gaynor is here. Jacqueline was invited by Gaynor. So welcome. Wow, it's exciting, guys. So here's the thing. So here are the expectations in the group. So today is April 11, 2018. So starting Monday, April 16th, I'll be coming here live every day for the next 5 days, because I'm starting a eat a healthy breakfast for 5-day challenge, and that starts on Monday, April 16th. So for those of you guys that are here, be ready. Starting Monday, I'll be doing a live every day and sharing some recipes for you guys that's all related to breakfast. So breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so hopefully you guys aren't skipping breakfast. So I'll be sharing my breakfast. I have a breakfast meal plan for the week, so I'll be sharing my breakfast of the day every single day and giving you some alternatives as well, so you have more options to get your breakfast started in the right path. Okay, so that's starting on Monday. We're gonna start the 5-day challenge. Next is, guys, so thanks to Wilson and Gaynor for inviting people to the group. So here's the thing: on day 5, next Friday, the last day of the Eat Breakfast Challenge, the person that invites the most people into the group. So whoever you are, the person that invites the most people, most friends, family into the group, you're gonna get a prize. I'm gonna send you out a free one of my products that I love, absolutely love, that I take every day, that I absolutely love for my health. You will get that free. I'm gonna ship that out to you. So whoever invites the most people, let's say it again, whoever invites the most people into the group will get that prize. I'll send out to you next Friday. So guys, go ahead. Wilson, you're a rock star. Gaynor, the rest of you guys in the group, start inviting your friends and family, because the person that invites the most people in here will get that prize. Okay, so that's basically it. So I'll be sharing on starting Monday, April 16th, we're gonna get started. I was sharing a breakfast for the day, and we're doing a 5-day challenge to eat a healthy breakfast, guys. So get ready, buckle your seatbelts, get ready for Monday. Every day I'll be sharing a breakfast for the day, and again, invite your friends and family. Let's get more people involved, guys. This is a change. This whole premise of this group is to start a change, to educate you guys on how to eat healthier, because you are what you eat. The most important thing that we need to master is eating better, eating healthier. That's the most important thing that we need to get very good at, get better and improve in that area. So again, thanks to all you guys that's been in the group so far, guys. You guys are rock stars. Start inviting your family and friends, guys. I look forward to starting on Monday, April 16th. Look forward to helping you guys. Let's change lives. Let's beat this diabetes, or whatever health disease, whatever health issues you're dealing with. A lot of the health issues we have today: obesity, losing weight, weight overweight, etc., it's because of what we eat. And if you start to eat right, eat the clean way, eat this way, it's going to help you start, your body is going to naturally start to, get rid of the excess fat that you're holding on to. So I'm excited about you guys being here. Thank you so much, Wilson and Gaynor. You guys are awesome. You guys have already invited some people here already. So Raisa, welcome. so I'm just actually doing a quick live here to just welcome you guys to the group, Raisa. And as I was saying, starting Monday, April 13th, is when we're going to start the 5-day challenge and eating breakfast. So the first area that I'm going to tackle is breakfast, because that's the most important meal of the day. So we're going to do a 5-day challenge. We're going to challenge everyone in this group here to start eating a healthier breakfast. Okay, if you start your breakfast right, the rest of your day just seems to be better. So we're going to start a 5-day challenge with breakfast. Reza, so hello, Reza. So as I stated, all you guys have to do is just wait till Monday. Every day in this group here, I'll be sharing a breakfast for the day, giving you guys some breakfast ideas, some alternatives as well. So I'll be in here every day next week, starting Monday. And also, as I stated, I know Reza, you just joined, but for those of you, that's a member here, what I recommend is you invite your family and friends in, and the person that invites the most people here in the group, by the end of the week, next Friday, I'm gonna that person will win a prize. I'm gonna send you my favorite health product that I've taken, the favorite ever health product that I've ever taken, that's changed my health, that's changed my life. I'm going to send it to you for free. So the person, and I'll be talking more about that next week in the group. But so so far we have Gaynor has invited. It seems like he's invited 2 people already. Wilson is like leading here. Wilson is a rock star. Wilson has already invited like 3 or 4 of his friends in here already. So continue to invite your family and friends. And guys, this is about changing lives. So to help you guys, educate you guys on eating healthier, give you ideas of foods that you can eat that's not going to spike your blood sugar. Get away from the processed foods. This is what this is all about. So go ahead, invite your friends, your family, because as you guys invite people in here, Facebook shows me who, if you invited someone, it shows me who's the person that invited people in. So that helps me to calculate, to keep tabs of who's inviting the most people. So if you want to, so again, I'll be giving away that free prize next Friday for the person that invites the most people in this group. Because again, we need to change, we need to make a change in our lives. And the most important thing for our health is to change the way we eat and start to eat better. So this group here is to encourage one another, to support one another, to get you guys on the same path towards changing the way you eat, because you are what you eat, and that has a huge link to our health and what we eat. So we need to learn to eat better, cleaner, to get away from the foods out there that's spiking our blood sugar, that's causing type 2 diabetes, causing overweight. So this is what the whole purpose of this group is to educate you guys on how to eat healthier. So as I stated, Reza, go ahead, girl, and invite your family and friends in, because like I said, starting next Friday, next Friday. Hey Suzanne, welcome. Woohoo! So we got Suzanne is on. Welcome, Suzanne. So I'm just doing a quick shout out here. Just giving you guys a welcome for you guys that's joined the group. So to say awesome, I'm excited for you guys to be here. This whole premise of this group is to share meals and recipes that's all healthy. It's the way to teach you guys, show you guys that eating healthy is not as hard as we think. And so the first area we're going to tackle is breakfast. And so starting Monday, April 16th, every day of the week, next week, I'll be for 5 days. We're doing a 5-day challenge on eating a healthy breakfast. So every day next week, I'll be on here live sharing a breakfast idea for the day. Okay, so we're gonna start with breakfast next week, and by end of next week Friday, like I said, I know Suzanne, you just joined, but for the person that invites the most family and friends here in the group, at the end on Friday, I'll be actually giving away. I'm gonna ship to you one of my favorite health products that I take. That's changed my health forever, and I'm going to send it out to you for free. So the person that invites the most, people here in the group will get that prize. And as stated here in Facebook, I can see, who's inviting who in the group. And so far, Wilson is in the lead. Wilson has invited about 4 people in here already. Gaynor has invited a couple of her friends. So the person that invites the most people in this group here, like I said, by Friday of next week, I'm going to send you for free my absolute favorite health product that's definitely changed my health forever. And So be excited to give that away for free, because I want you guys to experience, you know, what a healthy lifestyle is. And it's not as hard as we think, guys. It's not as hard as we think. So you know, our health is our wealth. That's the most important thing in our lives, is our health. So we have to do better by eating better. So the premise of the group is to share recipes with you guys, give you some ideas on how to eat healthier. That's all. That's it. It's all what this group is about, is me sharing healthy recipes every day, you know, to help you guys out, you know, to show you that eating healthy is not as hard as we think. And we're gonna start with breakfast, and that challenge will start next Monday, the 16th. We're gonna do a 5-day challenge to eat a healthy breakfast, because breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So we're gonna start that challenge, get you guys started. So all you guys gotta do is just get ready for Monday, and just invite your family and friends, and anyone out there, family and friends that struggle with diabetes, that need to lose weight. How many health problems are out there? There's so many health issues out there. High cholesterol, whatever it may be. You know, help your family and friends out. Let them be a part of a group where they can learn how to eat healthier. Recipes that are very simple. You know, that's not going to be hard, guys. And I have a YouTube channel. I've you know, cooked many meals that I have on a YouTube channel. And I'll be posting those videos in here as well, as you guys can see me cooking. So that's good. So for you guys as part of this group, you'll get an insight to those recipes and meals that I've been cooking. You guys will actually be a part of that. You can see, you know, me cooking these breakfasts, etc. that I'll be sharing with you guys next week. Anyway, so Suzanne, you're a rock star. Thanks for being on. Reza, you as well, girl. Woohoo! You guys are rock stars. So the only thing you guys gotta do is invite your family and friends in, guys. Whoever needs help, anyone out there needs help, anyone wants to change their health, want to learn how to eat better, then this is a group that's for you. And help your family and friends out too, because the way I see it is, the more people we get involved, the more people we can change, make this a movement, get people on the right path towards a healthier body, healthier you. By eating better is this the most important thing, because you eat better to feel better. By eating better, nourishing your body with the right foods, it can help your body lose the weight and fight diseases more naturally, guys. So let's join this. Again, thank you guys for being on. I just want to give you guys a shout out. Give everyone, say welcome to the group. I'm excited for you guys to be here, and we're gonna start on Monday with the 5-day challenge to eat a healthier breakfast. The most important meal of the day. We're going to start that. So anyway, so Suzanne, you're a rock star, girl. Thanks for being on, Reza. Ladies, thanks for being on. Welcome to the group. And again, we'll start here Monday. And if you guys want to invite your family and friends in here as well, by all means, it's up to you. That's your choice. You can invite your family and friends in here as well, okay? Anyways, ladies, thanks for being on. You guys are rock stars. I'll see you guys soon. Just be aware, I'll probably be coming in here, popping up in here too, as new members are joining. I'll be, you know, doing more of these, you know, to welcome you guys and say, just to give you guys a good shout out to say, hey, welcome, and let's be a part of this. Let's start to support one another, and let's do better with our health by eating. What we put in our bodies is so critical to our health. So again, you know, this is what this is about, guys. Thank you, Suzanne, and Reza, guys. Thanks for being a part of this journey. You guys being in this group shows me that you're making the first step towards being healthier, because you want to learn how to eat better. That's the first step. That's your first step for you to make a change in your life, to change your health. So you guys are, you know, are on the right path. You guys, you know, high five to you guys. Give yourself, you know, a shout out for making that first step. You know, to learning, to trying to do better in life. We have to strive to do better, and you guys are making the first step in joining this group, so you can learn how to start eating healthier. And that's the most important thing in our lives, is how we eat. Is so critical to our health. So anyway, so Suzanne and Reza, you guys are awesome. Thanks for being here live on today. Invite your family and friends if you like, and again, I'll see you guys on Monday. We're going to start this challenge of eating a healthy breakfast, ladies. So thanks again for being here. I'm excited for you guys, and see you guys soon. So God bless. Have a wonderful Wednesday, and I'll be seeing you guys, you know, soon here in the group. So thanks, Suzanne, and thanks, Reza. You guys are rock stars. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I'll be seeing you guys soon. Have a great day.